In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Shea Moisturizer Beard Balm, and I definitely recommend it. If you got a beard like mine and you want good beard balm, this is going to be it right here. I've gone through a couple of them. Trust me guys, I know what I'm saying. This is number one in my opinion. Okay, so as soon as you screw it off, you guys can see the yellow wax. It smells delicious, first of all, and what I do is as soon as I jump out of the shower, I make sure my beard is nice and dry. If it's a little bit wet, the wax is kind of going to roll off of there and it's not going to work as good. So just make sure it's nice and dry. So what I do, I use the 3-finger method. I just take it in like this, just do one of these numbers, and then I just start rubbing it into my beard like this. And as long as it's dry, when you're coming out the shower, it's going to be able to be molded by this wax here. And I kind of have a longer down here at the bottom than I do on the sides, so I have to use more at the bottom, but it's not a big deal. So as long as you cover this whole area, you guys are going to be good to comb it right afterwards. And it's also for your mustache. You guys don't forget your mustache. Okay, a little bit more, and we should be good to go here. It is wax, so you do have to wash your hands directly after you're applying. Now what you do is you take your cool wooden brush, and then all you gotta do is comb it in. And you guys seen that my hair was real frizzy just because I came out of the shower and I dried it up, and it does get frizzy like that, but if you have a good beard balm, you guys are gonna be good to go. It's gonna plaque it down. It smells good. It has that nice shine on it. It makes your beard look nice and healthy. And here you go, finished product.